Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular session, let's try to upload the Kali Linux image, avail2 Linux image, TinyCore Linux image, and guys, this Parrot Linux I will basically upload later, because that time I will also show you how we can convert your ISO file. If you have a ISO file, then how you can able to convert into your QCOW2 format. Okay, so this part we will see for Parrot Linux, because Parrot Linux use the Debian flavor in backend. Okay, in the same lecture I will also try to upload checkpoint, Fortigate images, and also your SD-WAN images. And guys, if you really wants to do the SD-WAN lab setup, but on my YouTube channel I have a dedicated training. I have a dedicated training on SD-WAN, where you can able to see the SD-WAN, like SD-WAN lab setup here, where I have explained all these things from scratch, right? All details are there on this SD-WAN training. Okay, cool. So what I will do, guys, if you want to upload these images, what you need to do, you have to basically download these images, the very first thing, right? And these images you can able to download from here, like Kali Linux you can download from here. Linux netem, this is the Linux image which we will use if we want to generate the delay jitter in your or bandwidth type of things in your links. I will upload the TinyCore Linux, Ubuntu Linux, right? These are the images which you can download from here, and you will see all these images name start from Linux. Then we have a hyphen Kali hyphen version, right? And then you can see virtual.qcow2. So image name and folder should be like this only. TinyCore Linux hyphen TinyCore 11. Then we have a virtual.qcow2. In this credential.txt, you will able to see the username and password of this particular TinyCore image. Okay. So now what I will do, without wasting our time, let me just upload these images. So guys, I have already downloaded all these images. Let me just show you. All these images I have already downloaded here. I have a Kali Linux, Red Hat Linux, TinyCore, Ubuntu server, right? All these images I'm having. So what I'll do, I'll go here into my WinSCP. In similar fashion, we need to upload these Linux images, and these images will also go inside the QMO folder. Inside this particular folder called QMO, I'll select my Kali Linux image, Red Hat, TinyCore, Ubuntu, and I'll just drag and drop here. Once this particular thing will complete, you can able to see all these images in your EVNG. Right now you can see your Kali Linux images uploading. And guys, let's suppose you want to download the latest version of this Kali Linux image. What you have to do, you can basically go into the website called kali.org. Kali.org. In this particular website, if you will go into this download section, you can able to download the images like a installer image, virtual image. So you have to go into this virtual image section, and here you can able to download the Kali Linux image for VMware workstation. This is the one which you need to download for VMware workstation. This image you have to download for the virtual box. This image you have to download for the hypervisor, and this image you have to download for EVNG, because here you will get the QEMU image in QCOW2 format. And guys, I highly recommend in this particular section, like these are for 64-bit operating system. If you have a 32-bit operating system, you can click here and you can able to see the images for 32-bit operating system, right? Now you can see like VMware weekly images, VirtualBox weekly images, QEMU weekly images, right? If you will click on this one, you can able to see the, like it will, you can also download the weekly images. But let me tell you, we will not go into that website. We always go into the website called kali.org archive. We will go into this particular website, archive.org. This is not the correct website, sorry. Kali archive. This is the one, Kali Linux archive.kali.org. Into this particular website, you can able to get the old images as well, guys. And I'll let me tell you one more thing regarding this Kali Linux machine. If you are preparing for the cyber security trainings, what used to happen, Kali organized this Kali Linux organization, what they used to release the 4 images every year. Let's suppose we are in 2023, then you will get the Kali.org 2023-1, 2023.2, 2023.3, and 2023.4. So guys, I'll highly recommend always you can use this image, the last one. Right now, you can see we are in 8 months, right? Because every quarter they will release these images, right? So when I will get this image 2023.4 image from Kali Linux machine, I will start using that one. For now, I will use 2022.4 image because this is the most stable image, and you can able to get these images here into that particular website. Go into parent text, Kali images. Here you can able to see like 23.2, 23.3 version. And go into the weekly ones, right? You can able to see the weekly images as well here. 2023, right? These are the weekly ones. 23.2, 23.3, right? Go into this parent directory. So in archives, you can able to get all these details. Okay. In parent directory, you can able to see you have a projects, traces. You can able to see some other detail here as well, right? Kali weekly images, here you can get the weekly images, right? And if you will go here, if you will type Kali archive 2022, you will get the 2022 images. Here you can able to see the release history, right? See, in 2022 they have released 4 versions. In 2023 they have released still 3 versions, and now in some day you will get the 4 version, right? That's how you can basically get the details. You can get all these particular details, right? So these things I'll discuss later as well again. Okay. This is the main directory, right? Into this folder only you have to basically look where they used to keep the images, because I have checked and I have downloaded that image from the same place only. Okay, right now I'm not able to locate that image somehow, but it will be available here only. Okay, so if you will check properly, you can able to see the things. Right now I just only able to see the 2023 one. 22 I'm not able to get somehow, but they are here only. Okay, in this archive folder. Cool. You can see my image upload is going on, right? If I'll go here into my event, if I will just click on add node, you can look for Linux. What type of Linux you want? Tiny Core Linux, Kali Linux, RHEL, right? And right now, once this particular thing, This upload is going on, right now they are uploading this one Ubuntu image, right? And I hope these Kali and other images is already uploaded, so you can go there. And let's suppose I can use my Kali Linux. Kali Linux needs around 4 GB of RAM, one interface, to virtual CPU. Click on OK. Add one more image, or the better for this image, you can go into edit and change the image color. Basically, look for the color for Linux. If you have here, use this kali.png, this image for Kali Linux. Okay, add another one. Type a Linux. In Linux, which one you want? Let's suppose I want Tiny Code Linux. Tiny Code Linux image size also you can change. You can go here into the L folder, which is like Linux one, and you can able to see we have a linux.png. So you can put this linux.png. This is your Tiny Code Linux, right? You can add Ubuntu as well, or RHEL, whatever you want. Because see, Ubuntu is going on, upload is going on right now. So Ubuntu we can able to select, but it will not able to boot properly, right? RHEL you can select. You can change the color for this RHEL Red Hat Linux. You can put linux.png, whatever you want, okay? Or you can put anything here. You have a multiple things here to select these images and all. Okay, let me just see laptop.png. So like that you can able to basically define. You can start your nodes, start this Tiny Code Linux, start this RHEL Linux as well. Now open your VNC viewer. Kali Linux is started. Let's wait here for some time. Start this Tiny Core, start this RHEL as well. All are booting up, and you can able to see all these devices in some time. Ubuntu is still going on. In 1 minute you can able to see the Ubuntu as well. See, I got the Kali. Username for Kali machine is Kali, and password is also Kali. See, I got the access. I got the access. You can increase the size like this. This is also going on. It is bit slow, guys. That's not a problem. Let's give him some more time. So that's how basically we have to upload all these things, guys. Let me just check my CPU utilization. CPU is on 42. Memory is 62. Oh, 98% memory utilization. It's use. See, I got the Kali Linux finally. Now these are the Tiny Core and Red Hat Linux, and you can able to see these Linux as well in some time here. So this is how we have to basically upload these three images as well, these Linux images in your EVNG. Like upload process is very easy, guys. Okay, it's very easy. I'm not sure why these two images they are taking lots of time. It is still loading. Red Hat I have got, guys. Red Hat access user. Now you have to look for the password for Red Hat. See, Tiny Core having some issues. Looks like, see, it is not able to load properly. And for Red Hat Linux, maybe you can try the password like user then test123 test123. See, test123 is the password for your Red Hat Linux. For Kelly, username is Kelly and password is also Kelly. See, I got the Red Hat Linux, right? Change background display setting, whatever you can able to do, right? See, open the terminal. It will open the terminal, right? You can hit the command like ipconfig and all. So Red Hat Linux is working fine. Let's see for this Kali Linux. We got the Kali Linux as well finally, right? Now it will be fast because you know that time upload was going on, so that's why it has slowed down my system. Now you can see I have my Kali Linux up and running. Let me stop. You can go here. This is my Tiny Core Linux machine, and this machine is also working fine now. Okay, so this is how you have to upload all these Linux images, guys. Just remember. Stop. Now delete. Now guys, just remember one thing here. What is this thing? See, when you will upload, you have to check image name. This Linux hyphen tiny core 11. This is the folder name, and image name is virtual.qcow2, and the username is Linux, and password is 123 for this tiny core machine. Kali Linux folder name is Linux hyphen Kali hyphen 2022.4, and the image name is virtual.qcow2. This is folder. This is image. Same with RHEL. Linux hyphen RHEL hyphen 8.4 folder name, then image name is virtual.qcow2. These names should be like this. Ubuntu, Linux hyphen Ubuntu is the folder, and qcow virtual.qcow2 is the image name. So that's how basically this is the way of uploading your Linux images inside your EVNG, guys. Now let me show you how we can upload checkpoint and Fortigate images in your EVNG. For if somebody wants to perform the lab on checkpoint or Fortigate, how we can do that? So you can go here from this EVNG folder. You have to download these checkpoint images. So guys, unfortunately I don't have these images, but you can download from this particular drive, this public drive. You can able to see the Fortigate images here, like Fortinet AZ 740 Fortinet FGT, right, version 7 and all. FMG, because this is your, I think, Fortigate manager, right? Then we have Fortigate web image, right? And you can also be able to download the checkpoint image for the same place, and checkpoint image you will get here. Oh, checkpoint image is not there. Not an issue. You can download the FTD images as well, right? So because you know all images are there, only you have to remember the folder name and the image name. That's it. And how you will get these details? You can check the name of your images here. If you want to just look for the checkpoint, you can go here and you can able to find the checkpoint ones here. Cisco, we have all Cisco, we have a checkpoint, right? In checkpoint, you can able to see this is the image folder name for R80.10. If you have R80.80 dot something like R80.40 then, or R81.10, then you can put R81 dot hyphen 10 like that. But your image will start CPSG hyphen. This is for Gaia platform, guys. Okay, this is how you can able to do that thing for checkpoint. I already have these checkpoint images here, like CPSG, R77, R80, R8010, 40, R80, 40, R81.10, right? Let me just show you how I can upload this R80.10. I'll go here. I have to upload that the checkpoint image also into the same folder. This is my checkpoint image. And guys, I do have a Fortigate images, right? So Fortigate also we have to upload in similar way. So I'll just select here Fortigate 7.0.1 version and Fortigate manager. I will upload all these same version and I will select checkpoint R80.10. Just upload. This is how basically we have to upload these particular images for checkpoint and Fortigate. And if you will check the name for Fortigate, what is the naming you have to follow for Fortigate? You can see here we have a Fortigate, then we have a Fortinet FMG, Fortinet FAZ. These are the three images available for Fortigate. Okay, and what you can do, you can able to basically these are the folder name you have to put. Build not needed. If you don't want to put build, that is also good. That's not a big deal. You can go like that only, right? And you can just need to upload the images like we did here. In the next thing, we are going to upload this SD-WAN images and other import our other images. What we have to do, like if you have other image like Android, so you have to see Android hyphen 99.1 and image name is sd.qcow2. For your ASA name is 9.1 ASAV hyphen 9.1 hyphen 917 hyphen 1 virtual.qcow2, right? Then big IP for F5. These are the F5 images folder, then image name. It should be like this for big IP. For firepower, right? We have a firepower 7, then FMC firepower 7 FTD, right? So you can check the what is the actual name for firepower images. You can go here, Cisco firepower 7 image. You can go and just see the name should will start with FTD. This is the folder name, right? So the actual name which is like firepower, which is wrong, you have to put FTD. This is the folder name you have to keep. And even though you can check the same here, folder no name should be like this, FTD. FTD and FMC like this. So whatever name I am having, these names is wrong. These names is wrong, guys. Okay, I have to go with FTD, so I have to put FTD hyphen 7. Rename F FTD7. And we have a FMC. You have to put the name FMC7. These are the names you have to follow for FTD, right? You can upload this CSRV like folder, then image name, right? So this folder should be correct. And how you can check what is the folder name? You can able to check from here. Everything you can able to check from here, guys. For ISE, this is the name ISE hyphen 2.7.0, ISE 3.0, or ISE hyphen 3.3 means your image name will start with ISE. And I do have this ISE image, right? You can see here ISE 3.1.0, right? And the remaining ISE images you can able to download from here. You can check. If ISE is not available here, then you can let me know. If you need that image, I'll upload that image for you. Okay, there is a one more website I was having. Let's see if I can able to access. Here also you can able to, not that one, sorry. I have that link actually with me, but not an issue. Whatever I have explained, like this folder have enough images. If you need some extra images, you can basically let us know, or you can able to, if you will check over the internet, you get these images easily over the internet, because all these images are available, guys, free to use. Okay, you can see now checkpoint and Fortigate images uploaded. In similar way, if you want to upload the SD-WAN images, right, have these are the SD-WAN images: vbond, vs, vmanager, and vsmart, right? You can see I'm using 20.3.1 version, but you can use any other version as well, right? So image, then we have a, like you have a folder, then image name is sd.qcout for vsmart. For vmanager, you have an image name, then virtual.qcout, and both these files needed, guys, for vmanager. Okay, so what if you want to upload? You can just select all these images, vsmart, vmanager, right? Let's suppose you want to upload the SD image like Palo Cloud SD images, right? You can do this thing as well, like Palo Cloud one. If you want to upload, let's suppose ISE, you can upload ISE. If you want to upload FTD and FMC, you can upload FTD and FMC as well. Like if you want to upload CSR, you can select this CSR and you can upload. If you want to upload F5, you can select this F5 and you can upload. ASA, you can do that. Android phone, you can do that. Select all these images and just upload. Only the thing is, you need to take care here. Your image name is correct and your folder name is correct. These two things should be correct. And you are uploading all these images into this QMO folder. Just remember. These are the things only which you need to take care. Otherwise, you are good to go. Now if I'll go here and if I will right click here, let me just refresh for some time. If I'll right click and if I'll just look for checkpoint, now you can see I have a checkpoint R80.10. It needs around 6 GB of RAM. So I will just put the same RAM, add another checkpoint. Interface you can increase. If you won't need 8 interface, you can put 8 here. Right? If you want, you can add the Fortigate as well. For Fortigate, you can go there. Fortigate, right? You can add like Fortigate Firewall, Fortigate Manager, right? and you can able to just start them. If you are able to start, which means whatever images you have uploaded, they are the correct one. So open. Checkpoint will open in secure CRT. Let's open Fortigate. It will also open in your secure CRT. You can see Fortigate is loading. Checkpoint, I think it will start in some time. So we have to give some time here. And these are the checkpoint security gateway. Okay. This is the checkpoint security gateway. Checkpoint is about to start, right? So we have to give time. And upload is going on for your other images like big 5 right now going on. And guys, if you want to check how many images is uploaded, what you can do, the best part, you can take the CLI access of your EVNG. How you will do that? You can just open your putty and just type 192.168.137.50. Take the SHS access. Username is root and password is logged in. Let me just put the password again. Now you can see I have just take the access. Now if you will go into cd/opt unit lab add-ons chemo, this is the place where I have uploaded all my images, and you can able to see these are the images which I have uploaded. ASA is done, Android is done, big IP is going on, or maybe it's done, right? Yeah, big IP is done, right? Now your Fortigate, Linux, all these is done, Palo Alto, right? All these images. So you can able to see whatever images is uploaded here, right? In Fortigate, I am getting this error, guys. No bootable device found. This is the error, guys. And you will get this particular error if you have some issues. If you have some issue, then only you will get this error. No bootable device found. Okay. What you have to do, I can go here. Let me just stop. I have to wait here for some time to complete this part. Let me just go inside this Fortinet hyphen FGT ls hyphen LA. See, the name is incorrect, right? The name should be virtual.qcow2, but here we have a 40os.qcow2. Name is wrong, right? You can check, because if I'll go here, because I have not checked this thing properly. If I'll go here, you can see name is this faz.qcow2. This is the incorrect thing. This is the incorrect thing. See, 40os dot qcow2, that should be like this. virtioa virtua.qcow2. Here also the name is, let me just go here, virtioa virtual.qcow2. virtioa. And how you will validate this name? You have to go to into the evng website, evng.net. Go to into documentation. You can go into support QMO image namings, and here you can able to look for Fortigate. So like Fortigate, this is the folder and image type is virtual.qcow2, right? Virtual.qcow2, the name should be like this. And if you want like how to create image, if you will go here and if you will look for Fortigate, because see all information is here only. Go into this 40 net images and you will get to see the things like image format is virtual.qcow2, and if you will see here, you have to basically use this image virtual.qcow2. Now see, things are going on here. What you can do, you can also basically go and you can rename from here, but I'll also can able to rename from here. What I will do, ls-la, right now I am here, so what I will do, I will just use a command called move, which is mb, then vir or move 40os into vir tioa dot q cow2 ls hyphen l. You can go now, you can see name has been changed for your Fortinet fgt, right? Name has been changed for this. If you will go here, if I'll just stop here, it's become sticky. Stop here, right click, edit, because I think I have changed the name for fgt, right? So let me just select that image which is fgt. Go here, let me start. Because this no bootable disk found, you will see this error a lot actually. The operation is written on the remote file. Make sure that the connection and the server where, click on continue, retry, cancel. It looks like some issue with my evng. Let me just start it. It had just went down due to any reason. Okay. And also my transfer is also stopped here. See, transfer is also stopped. Sometimes evng used to produce these issues, but that's not a problem. Let's wait here. So guys, this is the way of uploading all the images. Now I'll check how many images I have uploaded and how many is pending. Let's wait here. I got the access, root, the operation on the file e virtual machine, disk filled. There is not enough space on the disk. Okay, this issue is happening because we don't have enough space actually. Because I have uploaded lots of images actually here. Okay. What I did, I have uploaded lots of images. That's the reason. Oh, looks like my SSD second drive is not visible. Okay. So what I need to do, I think I need to restart my system, and after that this issue will fix. Okay. So what I'll do, let me just stop the recording here. Hello everyone. So now finally I have just restarted my system, and this disk was full because on this disk I have basically stored my evng, right? That disk was full, that was the reason we are getting that error, right? So I'll go here, so I have just emptied this particular disk. I have transferred these files from this disk to somewhere else, right? Now I'll open my vnscp. Let me just do the connection, or before that I need to start the evng. So I'll go here, let me start the evng. There was no any issue, guys. That issue came because my disk was full. Okay, let's wait here for this evng to come online, and after that we will see, we will try to do the connection again, and we will try to see the things. 192.168.137.50. See, I got the access. You can able to see the connection here in some time, and you can also able to see I can able to open this evng from here as well, from my web browser. Try to reconnect, login. 192.168.137.50. This is my evng. Yeah, adapters and everything is fine. Check the space. I have 174 GB of space on this drive. Root. I have logged in. Ping to google.com. See, ping is happening. Ping to 192.168.137.1. Ping is not happening towards this host. Till here I can able to ping. Let me open this CMD. Ping to 192.168.137.50 minus T. Yeah, ping is working, which means I have the connectivity. Let's close it. Password is, now see, I can able to enter the password. You will get the access here. Refresh, you can able to see all these things now. You can start your Fortinet, start your checkpoint. Meanwhile, go here, go to into OPT, Unit Lab, add-ons, Chemo. And guys, here you can able to see these are the images which I have uploaded here, right? Android and ASA is already done. FTD is also done, right? ICE is also done. And your SD-WAN is not done yet. So for SD-WAN, you can go into your drive, select your software folder, evng images, and what you need to do, you can upload these images again. Upload will start here, right? Open this checkpoint, start your Fortinet, and try to open this Fortinet as well. Checkpoint is loading, and I was also discussing. See, we got the login. So username is I think admin, and password is also admin for checkpoint. Admin 123. Otherwise we have to check checkpoint password for evng. Admin, they're saying admin, right? Look for checkpoint here. Somewhere you can able to see that device. Admin, they have mentioned here. Yeah, admin, right? So let's try to use this admin now. Admin. It's not taking. Checkpoint R 81.10 default username and password. Admin or ABC123. This is the one. Let's see what they have mentioned here. ABC123 is also wrong. R80.10 default password, username password in ENG. Let's see. Admin they have mentioned, but not sure what is the exact password. They just said like it's admin only, right? But somehow it's not working. So guys, this admin is not working right now, even though in even the website also they have mentioned this the same password, right? Admin. Let me just go inside that folder. We just have the image details here, right? Okay, if this password is not working, which means now what I need to do, maybe I need to basically what we can needs to download the ISO file, and we can also convert that ISO file. Okay, this is what we need to do in that particular case. Okay, because this password is not working somehow. But this is how you have to upload the image, which is my main objective. Now you can add like Android device. You can add like Cisco Firepower here, like FTD. You can use like CSR routers, right? All these things. Fortigate. So, but you can see here for Fortigate, we have a wrong name, right? Here you have can just rename like this, like file names. You can just rename, just put here VIRTIO virtua.qcow2. From here also you can do the renaming like this. This we already did. For this, you can basically do the rename. VIRTIOA. Now, if you will go here and if you will add the FortiGate, add, you can start and just put the secure CRT here. You can see FortiGate will start here. Start Android, start FTD as well, right? Android is starting, then stopping, right? So maybe some issue with this Android image. So what you have to do, you have to go to into this EVNG website and you have to check the name for Android nodes. These are the working image for Androids, right? The name will start like this. Inside Chemo, we have this star file, right? You can download this image as well for Android from here. But this is the image which I have uploaded. sd.qcout1. This is your Android VM. This is your FTD. And this is your FortiGate, right? The same thing, you can look for FortiGate here, check the password. What is the default password? So default password, did they mention the password here for FortiGate? No. So you have to search for it like FortiGate, Firewall, EVNG, default, username and password. Because see, FortiGate and all these things I was not using. Okay. This is the place where we used to upload these images, right? You can add. So username is admin and password is blank, right? This is the one. So you can put username is admin and password is blank. Now put the new password like admin add 123. Admin add 123 like this. Okay. Let me just try for checkpoint. It's the same thing. Username is admin, password is no password. But it will not work. As per my knowledge, they have some configured some password here actually. Okay, so FortiGate we can able to do like this. Let me just do one thing actually. I do have this file as well where looks like some password is mentioned actually. The checkpoint admin 123 also we can try. Admin and admin 123. Username is admin. Password is admin 123. Yo, boom, this it's working, right? The username is admin and password is admin 123. And I hope I have this file where all the passwords are mentioned. for almost all the devices. Okay. Okay, this is how we have to upload these type of different types of images. Your FTD is still going on because FTD is a big image and it really needs time. So what I'll do, this Android is not working somehow, so that's not a problem because Android we don't use frequently. Now you can basically delete them. So guys, this is how we have to basically do the things with regards to EVNG, means that's how we have to upload your images for Kali Linux, Ubuntu, TinyCo, Checkpoint, Fortigate, right? And your SD-WAN and other images. Now in next lecture, I will show you how you can build the lab topology in EVNG. So where I will show you how we can build the Palo Alto lab, how we can build the Checkpoint lab, and how we can build the F5 lab, and how we can build the Fortigate lab. So this is my main agenda in your next class, where I'll show you how we can able to connect these devices. All these things I'm going to cover. Okay. Once this part is done, I will also show you how to connect EVNG node with the internet or other external VMs. Then I'll show you how to import pre-built lab in EVNG. Okay, so these are the things which I'm going to cover in your next lecture. Thank you very much. Take care.